Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. As you can see by the title above, this is a haul video. I wanted to share with you guys some things I picked up from blitsy.com. I don't have everything here that I wanted to show you guys because Blitsy didn't carry everything from the Willow Lane collection, so I did pick up the rest of the stuff on the Scrapbook.com website, but I'll just do a separate video for the Scrapbook.com and show you guys what I have now, just so that I can put it away. And I also have 2 items from eBay to share with you guys. So I will start off with those 2. And you guys, I picked up these super cute little punches, and it's the teeny tiny little bow punch and the teeny tiny butterfly punch. You guys, I did not expect these to be that small. I thought they were a little bit bigger, but it's fine. They're super tiny, extremely tiny, but I think they would be good like confetti and stuff like that. It'll look super cute. I think I want them to be a little bit bigger, so I might look for the Tim Holtz one and a little bit bigger butterfly one. If you guys know kind of like a little bit the size up of a punch that is available, do the knockouts come out in a bigger size? I don't know. Help me out. Let me know down below if you guys know of a size up from these. These are 0.375. They're the knockouts by American Crafts. So I got these on eBay for like $3. And yeah, they're super cute though. They're tiny, you guys. Like, oh my gosh, so tiny. So those are the 2 items that I picked up from eBay. And then of course you guys know Willow Lane. Everybody's Willow Lane this, Willow Lane that. So you know I had to join in the Willow Lane. So I was a little bit upset that I couldn't find everything on Blitsy, but you know, it is what it is. Scrapbook.com is taking forever this time around. I don't know why, but they're taking forever to ship my items out. They sent it through UPS, and it's like literally 9 days since I ordered it. It's been 9 days. It's gonna be 9 days by the time I get it, because I get it on the 31st. Yeah, the 31st, I think. But whatever, you guys, let's get on with the video. I got some stuff and I want to show you, and I'm pretty sure you've seen them on everybody's video, everybody's feed, but you haven't seen them on Liller's, right? You haven't. So I got the puffy stickers, you guys. These are so cute. I love them. I did order doubles, so Scrapbook.com is gonna have probably some of the same things and some of the other stuff that I'm missing. But look, you guys, these are super cute. I love the little houses, the little hearts, the cute little critters. Love it. This collection has to be, I think I say that with all her collections, but I think this is it's going to be one of my favorites. I did pick up 2 packs of the Maggie Holmes ephemera. Well, it's all Maggie Holmes, but the ephemera packs. And that is what you get. You guys need to definitely go pick this up. It's super cute and I cannot wait to start creating. The reason why I buy 2 is because, you guys, I like to hoard my collections. So I'm just going to start buying 2 of each. So that way that I can use one and hoard one. I know. Call me crazy, because my wife thinks I'm crazy. But I don't like to use my stuff, you guys. I don't know. I feel like I need to hoard it for a little while. I know. Okay, what is this? So you guys, I did get the 2 paper pads right here. I'll give you a quick flip through. So beautiful. This paper is beautiful. It's just definitely something Maggie Holmes would put out. I am obsessed. I love it. And I will be getting another one. And I think I'm going to get the 12 by 12 as well. So I picked up that. This is the other one, and we're gonna flip through that one. This one has more sheets than the other one. This one has only 24. This one has 36. Look at this, you guys. Look at that unicorn paper. Did I skip the houses, the birdies? How beautiful is that? I love it. I love her style, you guys. I can't get enough of Maggie Holmes. I love it. I love her style. And a lot of it looks alike, like not alike, a lot of it kind of like blends in together, looks the same. And I kind of like that because you can use multiple collections of hers together and create projects. Next thing I got is the wonderful foam and cardstock phrase stickers. This is what they look like. And they're super thick, like really good quality. Be happy, be bright, be you. Look at these cute little mugs, you guys. I love the glittered hearts. You get these super pretty butterflies. And of course, her little flower. Cute. So I will be getting another one of those. And another one of these for sure. These are the regular cardstock stickers. And this is what they look like. I'm loving these little figures in the collection. They're so cute. Little panda with clothes on and the kitty cat with a dress. How cute is that rainbow? Like, you guys, how can I, like, if I break into this and I use it, I'm gonna be so sad. So that's why I need to have a backup. I need one basically to stare at and one to crack open. And then the last item is the chipboard, which I'm also getting a backup. I might get 2 backups because I love me some chipboard. Look how pretty, you guys. Look at the unicorn. I love it. I am obsessed, you guys, with this collection. It is so beautiful. And if you haven't picked it up and you're thinking about it, pick it up. I'm going to link it down below so you guys can definitely go straight to the link and add it to your cart and purchase it. It's super cute. You can create beautiful things. I'm probably going to do some memory dex cards with this collection. I'm trying to have memory dex cards of all my collections and add it to my wheel. And you guys, wifey bought her own little memory dex wheel. She's like so excited. She wants to do like kind of like scrapbooking in that way, but like pictures of us, pictures of her dog, pictures, just her creating these little cards. She absolutely loves memory decks, and she can't wait to show you guys. She just hasn't had the time to film, but she can't wait to show you guys what she's trying to do and what she's trying to create in her little wheel. She wants to fill it up. She's so excited about it because it's like a Rolodex, and she's like, this is not girly, right? And I'm like, who cares? Just make your cards, you know, document stuff. Doesn't matter. Just do what you love. That's all that really matters, right? So you guys, stay tuned for the rest of the stuff on my next haul video, which is like the ribbon. I think I got the crepe paper, the bows. There's something else. I don't remember. I got the cut apart sheet. I also got some glitter paper. Just stay tuned for that haul. It's going to be just as fun. And there might be another one coming soon because I need my backups ASAP. But yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed me being a chatterbox. Sometimes I just like to talk. But yeah, let me know about these punches if you guys know about the size up, because this is a little bit too small for what I expected. But yeah, don't forget to enter my giveaway if you haven't. I'll have the link down below as always. Don't forget to thumbs up. Hit that bell to be notified whenever I upload a video. And I will catch you guys on another day. Bye.